Good morning, my dear all students. Today we are going to learn about matter in our surrounding. It is first chapter of ninth class science. In this chapter, my dear students, we are going to see about introduction of matter, physical nature of matter, diffusion, characteristics of particles of matter, in that particle of matter have space between them. Particles of matter attracted each others because of force of attraction. After that we are going to see about states of matter, and that solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. After that we are going to see about changes of matter of state. After that, effect of temperature. In this effect of temperature we are going to see about latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization. After that, effect of change of pressure, evaporation. In the evaporation we are going to see about factors affecting the rate of evaporation. Evaporation causes cooling, and second last, plasma, and lastly we are going to see about Bose-Einstein condensate. My dear students, first of all we will see about introduction of this chapter. In our daily life, so many matters are there. These matters are totally different from this matter. So we will try to know about this matter. First we will see introduction of the matter. My dear students, since early times human beings have been trying to understand nature. Early Indian philosopher classified matter into few basic elements, and they gave name that few basic element Panch Tattva. That Panch Tattva are air, earth, fire, sky, and water. According to the Indian philosopher, living as well as non-living things are made up of these elements. My dear students, our Indian philosopher considered that everything, which means living and non-living things, are made up of from this Panch Tattva. One thing remain as it is in our mind: what is matter? We will see about matter. Matter means Padarth. In Hindi it is also known as Padarth, and Marathi also known as Padarth. Definition of matter is anything which has mass and occupies space known as matter. Anything which should contain what? Mass, and it should occupy space. That thing is known as matter. Examples: chair. Chair is matter. Why chair is matter? Reason behind it is it contains mass, means weight, and it occupies space. Due to this reason, chair is what? Matter. Our book also matter. Our pen also matter. Ear also matter. But my dear students, our feelings are not matter. Why our feelings are not matter? The reason behind it is Our feelings don't have weight, that is mass, and it doesn't occupy the space. Due to this reason, this feelings not comes under the category of matter, or our emotions also. To know more about this matter, nowadays scientists involved to types of classification of matter: physical properties and chemical nature. Now, one by one, we will learn. I hope that you understood about the introduction of this lesson. Now we will talk about physical nature of matter. Physical nature of matter is in that matter is made up of particles. Matter is made up of what? Particles. And these particles are very, very, very small. And this particle known as atoms. We will see about more about atom in the next lesson, third lesson. But keep in your mind, atom is the smallest particle of an element which cannot be divided further again. That is atom. So nowadays scientists says that this matter are made up of from small particles, and they gave name to that small particle atom. This small particle cannot be seen by naked eyes or simple microscope also. But my dear student, these small particles we can see by using STM. STM stands for scanning tunneling microscope. But my dear students, it also not shows the clear picture of the atom. It shows blurry image. We will talk more about it in the third lesson, atoms and molecule. Now we understood about the matter are made up of from small tiny particles which cannot be further divided again, and it is also known as atom. And these particles are very, very small, which we cannot see by our naked eyes or simple microscope. The third point about the physical nature of matter is particles of matter are continuously moving. Our scientists says that by doing experiment, by observing the experiment, after the observing experiments, they says about the particles of matter are continuously moving as they possible possess kinetic energy. As soon as they get kinetic energy, they start to what? Move. They start to move. With the increasing of temperature, we know that the equation about kinetic energy, temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases. Kinetic energy increases, it means that particle movement also increases. So we can say that temperature is directly proportional to the kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is directly proportional to the moving of the particles. It means that particles also increases their speed of it. It means energy increases of temperature of kinetic energy of particles also increases, particle moves faster. It means the particle moving gets fast due to the kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is totally depend upon temperature. So temperature increases, kinetic energy increases, and movement of the particle becomes faster as soon as temperature increases or kinetic energy increases. I hope that you understood about introduction of matter, what is matter, and lastly physical nature of matter. Once again I would like to repeat it. In the introduction we seen Indian philosophers says that this everything is made up of from Panchatattva. After that we seen matter, anything which has mass and occupied space is known as matter. Example we seen chair, book, pencil, pen, eraser, etc. After that nowadays scientists try to classify this, try to know the nature of matter, and they say class they did classification on the basis of physical properties and the chemical nature of the matter. And that we seen physical nature of matter, and that physical nature of matter we seen this all matters are constituted from a very small particle, and they gave name to that small particle atom. And this small particle is very small, which cannot be seen by naked eyes or simple microscope, which can be seen by STM, scanning tunneling machine, microscope. And after that we seen about the particles movement. This particle moves always in the motion. Why? The kinetic gets kinetic energy, possesses kinetic energy, they start to move, and this kinetic energy is totally depend on the temperature. Temperature increases, kinetic energy increases, and moving of the particles gets increases. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. God bless you.